Hello guys, it's Mr. Boy. Today I'm here to teach you how to make these two delicious drinks. Stay with me till the end of this video. Welcome to another video of Delicious Foods channel, my friends. In this video, I want to teach you how to make two delicious drinks from A to Z. So like the video and let's go! Well friends, before going to teach you the first syrup, let me introduce you this plant, which is called Sesambrium. If you can buy it, it has lots of benefits for your body such as infertility cure, strengthen your sexual desire, losing weight, and many benefits for your skin and your hair. That's why I suggest you to make this delicious syrup at home for yourself. Pour some Persian willow syrup into a glass. Add some mint syrup to it. Now it's time for lemon. Cut the lemon into two halves and add it into the glasses. Then add as much as lemon juice you need to it. Mix them well. Then add Sesambrium to it. Mix it well. And at the end, fill the glass with soda or water. And here is chia or Acimum albumel that has lots of benefits, and I will tell you later how to make a delicious syrup with this plant. Add some chia into the glass. Add as much as Sesambrium you need to it. Now, water half of the glass and let it rest for 5 minutes. Add some saffron into another glass. Add some water and 2 spoons of sugar. Mix them together. Combine all of them together. Add 2 spoons of hollyhock into French press. Add some water. Then we press it for 1 minute. Add some ice to the main syrup. And at the end, we mix our hollyhock syrup with the main syrup. How was it up to now? Did you like it? So, do not forget to like. If still you're not a member of this channel, push the subscribe button, my friends. And if you have any questions, write down. I will read and answer it. And for learning how to make these delicious Belgian potatoes, do not lose this video.